Right, guys, so we are gonna check right now. We have a curfew here in California from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So there should be no one outside on the streets. We're gonna take a look and see what we can find.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let's see, so far, let's turn this way a little bit. We're only at 59 feet. There's no one on the streets. Let's go higher and actually go like one of the main streets. But let's turn right over here. We got 105 feet. We're gonna go all the way to 200 feet. We're gonna hover right there. Actually, that's pretty good. As you can see, there's no one on the streets. Let's see if we can, let's take a look. This is the first time I've been on a curfew. And as you can see, there's no one on the streets. That's pretty weird. Besides the fact that we have the coronavirus. There's no one on the streets. That is some weird stuff, man. Alright. We got 4 more feet to go up. 200 feet right there. Let's see if we can probably go down the main road. As you can see, there's nothing here, nothing, no one on the streets. There are some protesters for what happened with Floyd, that the police killed him, but they are not nowhere near us. Let's see what we can find. There's no one here, as you can see. The streets are pretty empty. This is pretty weird, dude. Like no one on the streets. That is some weird stuff, man. I'm making sure that I'm not flying on other people's properties and stuff. I am flying on the open road. As you can see, there's only one car. Only one car. Two cars, wow. Besides that, no one else. We are breaking up a little bit. We are 860 feet away. And as you can see, there's nothing here. Let's turn. Sorry about that. We have a little breakage on the signal. Let me fix the antennas. Maybe I can get a better signal. But no one on the streets. This is really weird. Look, no one on the streets. We're still flying at 200 feet. We're coming back. There's no wind resistance right now. Everything's pretty clear. Yep. No one on this. This is some weird stuff, man. Really weird. Let's see over here. Look at those beautiful mountains. Yep. No one on the streets. We are doing really good on battery. Let's see over here. Anybody here? There's one guy. One person driving through that. Empty parking lots. We're breaking up a little bit. We are 650 feet away. But there's no one on the streets. Like I said, this is really weird, guys. Look at that. Nobody on the streets. All right, let's bring it back home. We're now flying over property. Let's make a right turn. I can hear the drone. You know what, guys? I gotta tell you, this MAVIC Mini, it's really good. I can hear it now. And we are home, guys. We are now home. In the meantime, yeah, look at no one on the streets. You can turn one more time. No one on the streets. This is amazing. Bring it home, guys. All right, and with that, my friends, with that, we're gonna end it right here.
Landing.
If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And I don't know, we may do this again. All right, let me know. With that, see you guys. God bless.